Hey, welcome to ScoreFluent. Today, we'll do 3 Highlight Correct Summary questions together.
You get 2 to 3 of these on test day. A recording plays once, then you pick the one paragraph that best summarizes it. It scores both listening and reading, and it is marked right or wrong. There is no partial credit, so the whole question rides on one choice. We'll go through 3 questions. Attempt each one yourself first, then watch the correct answer. Go in and see the real score screen. Question 1. Read the options. The audio plays once. Choose the one best answer.
The concept of neuroplasticity has fundamentally changed how scientists understand the brain. For much of the 20th century, it was widely believed that the adult brain was essentially fixed, that once neural pathways were established in childhood, they could not be significantly altered. However, research over the past few decades has demonstrated that the brain retains a remarkable capacity to reorganize itself throughout a person's life. This reorganization can occur in response to learning new skills, recovering from injury, or even changes in one's environment. For instance, studies of musicians have shown that the areas of the brain associated with fine motor control are measurably larger in those who began playing instruments at an early age. Similarly, patients who suffer strokes can sometimes recover lost functions as other regions of the brain compensate for the damaged areas. These findings have profound implications for education, therapy, and our general understanding of human potential. Scientists now argue that deliberate practice and mental engagement are not just behaviorally beneficial, but can produce measurable structural changes in the brain itself.
This option accurately captures the core argument, the historical context, and the key examples provided in the transcript. Question 2. Read the options. The audio plays once. Choose the one best answer.
Today, we are examining the critical issue of biodiversity loss. Habitat destruction, primarily through deforestation and urban expansion, stands as the leading cause, eliminating the living spaces of countless species. Climate change exacerbates this by altering ecosystems and pushing species beyond their adaptive capacities. Additionally, the introduction of invasive species often outcompetes native flora and fauna, further disrupting ecological balance. Overexploitation, such as unsustainable hunting or fishing, also plays a significant role. Addressing biodiversity loss requires a multifaceted approach tackling all these interconnected threats.
This summary accurately identifies all the key causes of biodiversity loss discussed in the lecture and their collective impact. Question 3. Read the options. The audio plays once. Choose the one best answer.
The Industrial Revolution, beginning in Great Britain in the late 18th century, marked a profound shift from agrarian and handicraft economies to industrial and machine manufacturing economies. Key innovations included the steam engine, new methods of iron production, and the factory system. This era led to significant societal changes, including urbanization, the rise of a new working class, and increased productivity, but also brought about challenges such as poor working conditions and social inequality. Its impact reshaped global economies and societies.
This summary accurately outlines the origin, nature, key innovations, and both positive and negative societal impacts of the Industrial Revolution, making it the correct option. Read every summary before the audio plays. The paragraphs are on screen from the start. Knowing the options tells you what to listen for. Track the whole argument, not one key word. A distractor usually repeats a real word from the recording but gets its overall point wrong. Right or wrong? No partial credit here. There is nothing to gain from hedging. Pick the summary that matches the main point and commit. That was your mini mock. Practice the same questions with instant scoring. The link is below.